Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Anji Gaur. Now I am going to explain you trigonometry. Okay, so this is the 11th chapter in our mathematics subject. So trigonometry is our chapter name. Okay, so basically what is trigonometry? So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. It is a branch of mathematics. Branch of mathematics which deals with the mathematics which deals with the relationship between relationship between between sides and angles of a triangle. Am I clear? So this is a basic definition of the trigonometry. What is the basic definition of the trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. So we are going to measure the sides and angles in this trigonometry. Am I clear? So see here. Now what is given in our first chapter in the first page here, introduction. So see the introduction. So here one pole is there. That pole is erected by one rope, right? So this pole and rope are stand on the base ground. Yes or no? Yeah. So this pole is stand with the 90 degrees. Yeah, it's right. It is standing with the 90 degrees. Whereas, sorry. So whereas this rope is made an angle to the rope with the ground. Yes or no? See, you can see here. Yes, it is right. You can see here. This is the angle. Here angle is made by the rope to the pole. So this is certain elevation is there here. So this is a ground. Okay. So it is like triangle. Yes, if you consider this as a triangle, one triangle. Yes or no? This pole is one side, and here base is the ground, and this rope is another side. So we are framing one triangle with this. Yes or no? So here given so many examples. We will go with the examples. So make me to remove this all things. So see now. So here a person is whitewashing a wall with the help of ladder. See now this how he placed the ladder. It is very opposite to the wall. The wall is with 90 degrees. Yes or no? It is making a angle 90 degrees with the ground. So whereas this ladder is making an elevation, right? So here this is the theta. Yes, this is the angle made by the ladder here. Yes or no? So this is the angle made by the ladder. So now you can see one more example here. So see this example. So in this example, what is going on here? In a playground, children like to slide on a slider. Here, see the slider. How is the sliders? How is the slider? How is the slider angle? See now. So if you consider this as one triangle, yes or no? Yes. So if you are imagine this, we get one triangle. Here elevation is made by this slope. Yes or no? This slider. So in the same manner, we given examples for this. So wait a second. Yeah, right. So those are the examples. See, if you want to whitewash the higher point on wall, what should you do? You have two ladders, ladder A and ladder B. For suppose these two ladders there, same ladders. Okay. Now, if you want paint on higher elevation, higher side. So what you will do here? You have to make a different angle with the ground. Yes or no? See now. See here. Just give me a minute. So yeah, it's okay. Right. Now see here. This is a ladder. So for suppose you see it is with the angle. For suppose 30 degrees, it is making an angle. So here elevation is 10 centimeters, for suppose 10 centimeters height this is. So if I given the slope, if it is making the angle the 45, so it is up to 7 centimeters. So when the this one slope is increasing, the height is decreasing. Yes or no? You can observe this. So with the same ladder, so the ladder height is same, but the elevation, angle of elevation is different here. Yes or no? Yes. So we will go with this text once. What is the text given here? So we go with the text. So if a person wants to whitewash at higher point on the wall, what happens to an angle made by the ladder with the ground? Okay. So next, what will be the change in the distance A and B? So what is the distance between A and B? A and B's distance is increasing when the height is decreasing. Yes or no? When the height is increasing, the distance between the A and B will be decreasing. Yes or no? We will observe from this point. So next, if the person want to whitewash at lower point on the wall, what happens to the angle made by the ladder with the ground? This is the angle made by the ladder. When the person wants to whitewash the lower point in the sense downside, this here point C. So what is the angle is changing, right? So what will be the change in the distance AB? Now angle is changing, at the same time distance also changing. Yes or no? Yes, we will observe this point from this. So we have observed the above example, person who was whitewashing when, sorry, when you want to paint at higher or lower points, you should change the position of ladder. Yes. So when theta is increased, the height also increases. When theta is increased, height also increases, base decreases. See, note this point. What is the point given here? When theta is increased, height also increases, base decreases. What he is saying, when theta increases, theta is nothing but angle increased, height also increases. Yes or no? Height also increases, but base decreases. So this is a thing we have to know from this point. So okay, next. So next, see here. So here when we have sorry, we have seen the right angle triangle ABC. Now let name side again, because trigonometric ratios of angles based on sides only. So this is the main point. So what is the main point here? The all trigonometric ratios are depends upon the sides only. Okay, depends upon the sides. Trigonometric ratios all are depend upon the sides. So next, so naming the sides of a right angle triangle. So it is very important how we name the triangle. So I am going to the workbook right now. See, this is completed, right? So the definition of the basic definition introduction is completed. Now we are entering into the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So now trigonometric ratios. So see here, first I am going to take one a right angle triangle here. Right here I am going to take one right angle triangle. Yeah, it's my right angle triangle. So I am naming the sides. This as A, this as B, this as C. Am I clear? Right. Now A, B, C sides are given, right? Now what should I do? I am naming the side. This side is, what is this side? This is opposite. Okay, this is opposite side. Opposite side. Next, this is adjacent side. What is the side name? Side name is adjacent side. Now this is hypotenuse. What is this? Hypotenuse. Yeah. So I given the sides and its names. Am I clear? Yeah. So I am writing the here. AB is AB equals to what? AB here? Adjacent side. AB is adjacent side. Adjacent side. Don't confuse. For your clarity, I am explaining each and everything from the base level. So now what is BC here? BC is equals to opposite side. BC equals to opposite side. Opposite side. Now what is AC? AC or CA? Anything? Sorry to say. CA or AC, your wish. That is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Yeah. So in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, so in right angle triangle ABC, AB is the adjacent side, BC is the opposite side, and AC is the hypotenuse. Am I clear? Right. Now moving to trigonometric ratios. So remember here, basically there are only you have to remember first three, then we will get another three easily. So first I am going to explain you three. That first one is sine theta or sine A. Okay. So this is considered this is the angle A. Okay, right. Now sine A equals to what? This is our first question. Our trigonometric formulas are starting from here itself. Okay. Now, what is sine A is? Sine A is nothing but your opposite side by hypotenuse. What is your opposite side? That is BC. Your opposite side is BC by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here? AC or CA. Okay, you can write as CA. Hypotenuse is here, CA. Both are same. Okay, no issue with that. Next, this is what sin A equals to opposite by opposite side by opposite side of angle A. This is a full, okay na? Angle A. Opposite side of angle A by opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. So this is your sine A formula. Remember clearly. So you should remember till entire the chapter. What is sine A? If someone asks you, what you will give the answer? Sine A is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Simply we can write as opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Am I clear? So you can write simply like this. Next, what is the next thing? Next thing is cos A. So it is very easy. What is cos A? You know already. Cos A formula is now opposite completed. Next one is adjacent. Adjacent what? AB. AB by adjacent is AB and hypotenuse is CA. So cos A formula what? Cos A formula is adjacent side of angle A. Adjacent side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. Yeah. So this is your cos value. Remember clearly. Okay, I will say one more time. What is cos value? Cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Next one is your third one, that is tan one. Okay, so we are going with the tan. So tan A. Okay, I'm going to write tan A equals to tan A is opposite by tan A is opposite side of angle A. Opposite side of angle A by opposite side of angle A by opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. What is adjacent side of angle A? Am I clear? So what is opposite here? BC. Okay, BC. What is adjacent here? AB. So your tan A formula is this one. Okay. Remember these three formulas. We can derive another formulas very easily. So if you remember this, then we will derive another formulas very easily. So this one is your tan A. What is the tan A value? Opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. Am I clear? So these are the three basic trigonometric ratios. With these three basic trigonometric ratios, we can derive another three. Okay, let us see that one. So now see, first one is cosec. Cosec A. What is cosec A and sec A? And one more thing is that cosec A, sec A, and the last one is cot A. Cot A. These three are very important. Okay. Now I will say you very easily how to derive these formulas. See now. So sine reciprocal, the multiplicative, sorry, sine multiplicative inverse is cosec A. Cos multiplicative inverse is sec A. Cot multiplicative inverse is tan A. Tan multiplicative inverse is cot A. Okay. Now it is very easy that there is just multiplicative inverse. We have to just write down here. See now. Yeah, just write down. What is cosec A means 1 by sin A. Your formula is completed. Now what is mean by 1 by sin A? Just quite opposite to sin A. So what is cosec A means? Opposite to sin A. That is nothing but your hypotenuse by opposite. This is very easy, right? Opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. This is your cosec formula. What is cosec? Reciprocal of sine. Okay, na? Next. What is sec A? What is sec A? Sec A is very easy. 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A. So that is very easy. 1 by cos A. What is 1 by cos A? 1 by cos A is nothing but, see here, reverse of cos A, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. See here, opposite, quite opposite. Yes or no? Both are quite opposite. Okay, no? Next, sec A is also completed. If someone asks you what is sec A formula, sec A formula is hypotenuse by adjacent. What is cosec A formula? Cosec is hypotenuse by opposite. Cosec. Next, last one, cot. So what is cot? Your cot is nothing but tan A multiplicative inverse is cot. So I can write as your cot is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. That is nothing but 1 by cot A. Sorry, 1 by tan A, right? 1 by tan A. It is very easy. 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A. They are reciprocal, multiplicative inverse. Okay, na? So these all are multiplicative inverse. You are simply remember. So cosec means 1 by sine. Sec means 1 by cos. Cot means 1 by tan. So if you remember like this, then you never forget these six formulas. You should remember these six formulas entire for till the entire chapter, end of the entire chapter. Okay. So these are the trigonometric ratios. Now let us find simple example. Just I'm taking one triangle here. I am taking right angle triangle. A B C. Okay, now this is theta. Now for suppose this A is 6 centimeters, B is 3 centimeters, and what about this AB question mark. So very simple. Whenever you are getting two sides value, you have to find the third side value. Yes or no? You have to find the third side value. How to find the third side value? So with the help of the sorry with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, with the help of the with the help of Pythagoras theorem, so with the help of Pythagoras theorem, so with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we are going to find the this unknown value. Let us, what is Pythagoras theorem actually? Pythagoras theorem is nothing but sum of the two sides, sum of the two sides, sum of the squares. Okay, sorry, sum of the squares, sum of the yeah, sum of the squares, sum of the squares of two sides, sum of the squares of the two sides equals to square of the hypotenuse, square of the hypotenuse or hypotenuse square. What I told you here, sum of the squares of two sides is equals to hypotenuse square. So what is hypotenuse here? BC is hypotenuse, right? So now BC is hypotenuse, nothing but BC square is equals to, what we can write here? BC square is equals to AC square plus AB square. Yes or no? So for if your triangle is different, we can write one more like this also. See now, for suppose if you take the right angle like this, so the normal we will get like this. Yes. So now this is A, B, C. For suppose if the right angle at B, then the formula is, what is hypotenuse here? What is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse. This is opposite and this is adjacent. So you don't forget the what is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, you remember the Pythagoras theorem, then you definitely get the solution. What is Pythagoras theorem? Sum of the squares of the two sides is equals to hypotenuse square. So what is here? Now I change the triangle here, right angle triangle. I kept the right angle at B now. Here in the last example, I kept the right angle at A. Yeah, right. Now in the triangle ABC, we can write the according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Yeah, it is right. So AB square plus BC square is equals to hypotenuse square. So it is depends upon the diagram. Okay, you remember this is we how we get only depends upon the diagram. That is nothing but your triangle shape. Okay, but basic thing, this is the basic one. Okay, sum of the squares of the two sides equals to hypotenuse square. Now our job is to here find the unknown value, right? So now see. So let us draw the one triangle with the same. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is one triangle A B C. So hypotenuse is given, that is 20 is sorry, okay. We take the smaller values. So hypotenuse is 10. Side is one opposite side is 5 centimeters. Now this is what? AB is what? Question mark. Okay. Now we need to find AB. So how to find AB here? See now. According to Pythagoras theorem, what is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, right? AC value we given. AC value is here 10 centimeters and AB value is here unknown value, we can call it as x centimeters. Okay, let us consider x centimeters. Now BC equals to 5 centimeters. Okay, now we are going to find the unknown side, that is AB. What is the AB? Now AC square is nothing but 10 square equals to AB square is nothing but x square plus BC is equal to 5 square. 10 square is 100 equals to x square plus 25. 5 square is 25, right? Now 100 equals to x square plus 25. So now what you will do? The send this 25 that side. Then x square equals to 100 minus 25. Yes or no? Yes, it is right. 100 minus 25. That is, I want to move upside. So now see here. So right, yeah. Now x square equals to 100 minus 25. What? 75. Yes, it is right. Yes, it is right. Now x equals to root 75. X is equal to what? X value is root 75. So now we, what is the unknown side of the AB? AB side is equals to root 75. Clear? So in this way we are going to find the unknown value. Okay, unknown side. So with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, we use the Pythagoras theorem in the chapter so many times. Why? Because we have to find the unknown side. One unknown side is we have to find. So we use the Pythagoras theorem. So now let us enter into exercise. Okay. See, now I forgot to say this. So what is here? Now, once we go with the textbook, what is given in the textbook here? So in the textbook given naming the sides in a right angle. So what we discussed up to now, it will be given in the same format. Just we will go through with this content too. Yes, okay. Now let us take the right angle triangle ABC as shown in the figure. This is a right angle triangle. Okay. So here angle A it is here, making angle A at right angle at B, and this is C. So here what is hypotenuse here? This is AC is hypotenuse. What is BC here? This is opposite. What is this opposite to which one? Which angle? This is opposite to angle A. Remember this with the reference to the A. Okay, with the reference to the angle A, this BC is opposite. With this BC is opposite. For suppose with the reference to the angle C, which is opposite. Did you got my point? Okay, I will. So see here. So now, so where is the pencil? Yeah, it's okay. Now, with reference to the angle C, with reference to the angle C, what is opposite? So that is your opposite side with respect to the angle C is angle AB. This is your opposite side. With respect to the angle C. With respect to the angle C, what is adjacent? This BC your adjacent. Your BC is adjacent. Don't forget, this is very important. Why? Because you may confuse with this, but you are not going to confuse here. So I am explaining very clearly. So if first suppose with respect to the with respective to the angle C, this one, angle C. So what is opposite? Opposite side is AB. Opposite side is AB. Now what is adjacent? So what is adjacent here? Adjacent is BC. Adjacent is BC. So what is your hypotenuse? That is your hypotenuse is AC. So hypotenuse never going to change. Okay. So here opposite and adjacent are changed, but hypotenuse is same. Are you clear? So you have to compare the with respect to side. We have to give the opposite and adjacent. Okay. So don't confuse here. So just for your clarity, I am explaining this. So with respect to the angle A. So what is hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. With respect to the angle A, what is adjacent? This AB is the adjacent. What is the opposite? BC is the opposite. Okay, right? So here remember one thing. This is a basic introduction class, right? So that's the reason I am explaining everything in a clear manner. So see now, defining the trigonometric ratios. Here I forgot to say here sin A. What is the spelling here? SINE, sin A. But we simply write as sin, SIN A. Okay, SIN A, sin. So this is sin A. Next, what is the sin A formula? Sin A is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So opposite by, sorry, sin A formula is opposite by hypotenuse, right? I am confusing. Okay, don't worry. So right. So this is sin A. Next, actual name of cos A is cosine. What is the actual name of cos A? Cos A is cosine. So don't forget, when you get the term cosine means what you don't see with the blind faces. This cosine is nothing but your cos A. Okay. We call them as cos A. But what is the actual name? Cosine A. Okay. Next. So this is all I explained in the with simple examples. So it is okay. Next, ratios of the right angle, right? Here see, sine is nothing but sin is sine of angle A is sin A, sine A. Next, cosine, cosine, cosine A, cosine of angle A equal to cos A. Okay. So next, tangent. Tangent we can simply call as tan A. Tangent, tangent of angle A we simply call as tan A. Your cosine A is nothing but cos A. Sin A is nothing but sin A, right? So next, a few more there. Three are there. Remaining three we will learn. So right here. So what is the cosec formula? 1 by sin A. What is sec formula? 1 by cos A. What is cot formula? 1 by tan A. So here already these names also given here. Cosec is nothing but cosecant. Cosec is nothing but your cosecant. We cosecant we shortly call as cosec. Cosec A. This is right. Now the then cos. Cos is a cos not secant. Secant we simply call as sec. Simply written as sec. Secant we simply written as sec. Okay. So don't remember, don't confuse with these names. Next, cotangent. Cotangent we simply call it as cot A. Are you clear? So these are the basic things you don't forget. So with this we shortly call as cot, tan, sin, sec, cosec. Now I am going to explain you how to derive the ratios, some important values of some important angles of the trigonometric ratios. I have one simple trick. So if you follow this trick, you never forget the values of the angles, trigonometric ratios. Okay. So now first angles are 0 degrees and 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So now sin A. First you write simply 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, what you do, just your second step is divide by 4. Divide every digit by 4. Every digit by 4. This is a very simple trick. So just for your remembrance, I am saying this. So see now, uh, divide the every digit by 4, right? 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Yeah. Now, after completion of the division, next to your one more step, last step, that is put the square root, put the square root. square root for every digit, every number or every digit, whatever it may be, every number. Okay. Now, so just I want to drag upside. Okay, it's clear. Now put the square root for every value. Okay, every value. Right. Now square root, I am putting the square root for every value. 0 by 4, under root 1 by 4, under root 2 by 4, under root 3 by 4, under root 4 by 4. Yeah. Now see, just solve this, simplify this. What we will say, very it simplify just. Now root 0 is root 0 by root 4. So this is root 1 by root 4. Root 4 is nothing but we will do it in the next step. Root 4. Next root, this is 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Root 1 by root 2. Next here root 3 by root 4. So root 4. Here 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja. That is root 1. Now the root 0 is 0. Now root 4 is 2. Okay. Next root 1 is 1. Root 4 is 2. Root 1 is 1. Root 2 is root 2. Next root 3 is root 3. Root 4 is 2. Next root 1 is 1. So are you observing what I am doing here? So now you have, if you don't know the values I am writing here, since root 0 is 0, root 1 is 1, root 2 root 4 is 2. Okay, if you don't know means I am writing here, these values are, these are the values. Okay, right. Now I want to go a little bit upside. Now see here, we got the final values of sine. You can observe here final values of sine, we are clearly see here. So 0 by something, what, 0. Yes, 0, right. So 0 by something, 0. Next 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Next 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Next root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. That is 1 1. Okay. Now you can check your values of the sine. These are the sine values. You can check in your book also. These are the sine theta values. This is for theta is what? This is for 0 degrees. This is for 30 degrees. Sine 30. This is sine 45. Sine 60. And this is sine 90. Am I clear? So this is a very simple trick. You can try it. You can get the values. Now you got only sine values. So you need to find more 5 ratios are there, right? So it is very easy. If you find one ratio value, then it is easy to get the another 5 ratios. How? You can see here. I will explain you that one also. Now it is very simple to find. Yeah, I will start. So yeah, now I want to cos formula. Okay, cos theta values. So can you guess how to do this cos theta value? It is very easy if you remember one point. So just reverse it, you will get the values. Reverse in the sense, just write down 90 to the 0. That is cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 value is 1. This is 1. Don't think as something. This is 1. Okay. Cos 0 value is 1. Right. Next, cos 60 root 3 by 2. Next, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Next, cos 60 is 1 by 2. and cos 90 is 0. Is it clear? Just what I am doing here, just I am reversing the sign values. Yes or no? Yes. So just I am reversing the sign values, right? You can see here. So just as it is, this sin 45 cos 45 both are same. So just I am reversing the numbers. So don't confuse with the lines. These lines to help you understand. So just I am reversing the values. So with this we get everything very clear. Yes or no? Yes. So now we have to find what we have to find now. Tan value. Yes. Tan theta value. So we already know what is the tan formula. Tan formula is sine by cos. Sine theta by cos theta. Yes or no? Yes. So tan formula is sine theta by cos theta, right? Now above sine is there, below cos is there. You can do directly write down. That is now tan theta value is 0 by 1 and 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. Next 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1. Next one root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. Next this is sine 1 by 0. Sine is 1, cos is 0, right? Now you are going to do the, just simplify this. 0 by 1. What is 0 by 1? 0 by 1 is 0. Yes or no? Yes. So next, this is 2 to get cancel. What will here? That is root 3. Yes or no? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. Next, tan 60. Tan 60 is here 2 to gonna cancel. Tan 60 is root 3. And tan 90 is 1 by 0. So you don't confuse here. See now, a little bit confusion will be there. So what we are doing, just we are writing sine value upside and cos value downside. Okay. So now here 0 by something 0, right? So it is mistake. Sorry. 0 by something 0 by something 0. Yes or no? Yes. So now it is 0 by something, right? 0 by something is 0. Yeah. Okay. So now see here, if these values are very clear, right? So I jump into the, okay, right. Now next one is what? This tan 1. What is tan 1? Sorry, tan 90, right? Tan 90 is 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0? 1 by 0 is nothing but we can't define the value. Value is not defined. Value is not defined. So this is 0, right? 0 by 1, 0. So are you clear? These are the tan values. These are the tan values. Okay, you got tan values. Now we need to find what? Then we have to find cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sine, sorry, multiplicative inverse of sine theta, right? So now multiplicative inverse of sine theta is nothing but 1 by sine theta. So 1 by sine theta is nothing but cosec. Cosec is equal to 1 by sine, right? Now 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is not defined. Not defined. Not defined. Next, 1 by 1 by 2. See here, 1 into 2 by 1. That is nothing but, that is 2. So your cosec 30 is 2. Next 1 by sine 1 into root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1. That is also nothing but your cosec. Cosec 45 is root 2. Next, cosec 60. Just you have to write 1 into reverse of sine what? No, no, reverse of sine is 2 by root 3. That is nothing but your cosec theta is equals to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Next, what is the next one? Next one is 1 by sine. What is the 1 by 1? 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So your cosec 90 is 1. So check your textbook or anything, the values are correct or not. Yes or no? This is very simple. What we are doing, just we are deriving one sine value. Then after we are just using the formulas and we are finding the other remaining ratios. Yes or no? Yes, it is very clear. You can check in the textbook also. Here I am checking the values. Cosec theta is 0 degrees is cosec theta 0 degrees not defined. So cosec 30 is 2. Yes, it is right. Cosec 45 is root 2. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 is 1. Absolutely all values are correct. So you just uh, memorize the formulas, then you will easily get the all ratio values with the all angles. You don't need to by heart anything here. Yeah. Now we will find the remaining thing also, right? So we need to find, right? Okay. Our next one is what? Our next one is next thing is to find sec theta sec theta. Okay, sec theta values. So this is 0 degrees value. So I don't confuse here. 0 degrees and 30 degrees. This is 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Am I clear? Okay, right. Now sec. Sec is nothing but 1 by cos. 1 by cos. You already know the cos value, right? Now 1 by cos. 1 by 1. 1. Now 1 by 1 is 1, right? Okay, for your clarity, I will write as it is. Okay, 1 by 1, 1. 1 by 1. Next. Next one, 1 into 2 by root 3. So 1 by cos, right? What is the cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2. Just reverse it, okay? 1 into 2 by root 3. Next. What is your cos 45 value? That is 1 into root 2 by 1. Okay, just I am reversing. Why? Because it is reciprocal, right? 1 by cos. So I am reversing the value. That's it. Next, what is the next? Sec 60, that is nothing but 1 into 2 by 1. Next, 1 into what is that? Sec theta 1 by cos. 1 by cos is here what? Cos is 0, right? So 1 by 1 by 0. So we already know, yes or no. What is 1 by 0? 1 by 0 is not defined. So what are the values we got here? Just check it. Check it and we will check in the textbook too. Right. So 1 by 1, 1. Next one is cos sec 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Sec 45 is root 2. Sec 60 is 2. Sec 90 is not defined. Sec 90 is not defined. Yes, we can write as this symbol, infinity symbol also. Somewhere we will see these symbols also. Infinity, not determined. Okay. So this is your sec formula, sec values. Okay, the last one but not least, it is also important. Last one is your cot theta, right? So we are going to find the cot theta values also. Yeah, cot theta equals to now. So what is cot? Cot is nothing but 1 by tan. Cot is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan is nothing but here 1 by, what is the tan value? Tan 0, 0. So now 1 by 0, again what we will get? It is not determined. So it is not determined. Okay. Next. Cot 30. 30. What is the tan 30 value first. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 is nothing but 1 into root 3 by 1. That is nothing but root 3. Cot 30 is root 3. Next, what is a cot 45? Tan 45 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Okay. Next, what is cot 60? What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. That is very simple. 1 by tan is nothing but 1 by root 3. That is nothing but 1 by root 3. Your answer value is 1 by root 3. Next to the last one, what is cot 90? First, what is tan 90? Tan 90 is not defined, right? Tan 90 is not defined. Your cot 90 is, that is, first of all, 1 by, not defined means what? Not defined means 1 by 0. So that is in the sense 1 into 0 by 1. That is nothing but your 0 value. Okay, 0. Your cot 90 is 0. Check with your table, is it correct or not? Cot value, cot 0 degrees is not defined, it is right. Cot 30 value, cot 30 is root 3, it is also correct. Cot 45 1, and cot 60 is 1 by root 3, and your cot 90 is 0 degrees. Every value is derived properly and correctly, exactly, yes. So whatever I am saying, you just apply that formulas, you will get the clarity without any doubt. Okay, so in this way you have derived all the formulas. Am I clear? Right. Now our next agenda is we are entering into the chapter exercise. Now, before going to the exercise, we do little thing what we discussed up to now. We just revise once and then we enter into the exercise. Why? Because if you once enter an exercise, we are going to solve all problems, right? So now, what we discussed up to now. So just see now. First, what we discussed, definition, right? Definition of trigonometry. Definition of trigonometry. And next, what we discussed, trigonometry. Yeah. Next, definition is completed. Next, then some examples, right? Examples of examples in the real life, right? In the real life, examples in the real life. Next, after examples, what we discussed, trigonometry, defined to definition, examples, ratios, trigonometry, naming naming the trigonometric ratios, uh, trigonometric trigonometric ratios. Yes. Next, then after naming the trigonometric ratios, after values for the values of some important angles, values of some important angles. Okay, important angles. Okay, next, Pythagoras theorem. With the help of the Pythagoras theorem, we find the unknown side. Pythagoras theorem, right? Next, uh, Pythagoras theorem we completed. So sine value sticks. Okay, how to find the sine value with a tick. Okay, so but last not the least, just I will explain you this small thing. Don't forget here. First, sine, 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 we simply call them as sine a. Sine a, sine a. Next, cosine. Cosine, we will simply call it as a cos a. Cosine A is nothing but we simply call as cos A. Next, tangent. Next, with tangent we simply call them as tan A. Okay, tangent A is nothing but tan A. Next, cosecant. Cosecant means nothing but cosec. Cosec A. Okay, cosecant A is nothing but cosec A. Next, secant. Secant A is nothing but sec A. Next, tan. Sorry, cotangent. cotangent. Cotangent is nothing but cotangent is nothing but cot A. So these are the short forms which we use. Okay. Sorry. These are the short forms which we use regularly in the our problems. Okay. These are the short forms. Sine A, we shall simply write sine A, and cosine we simply write cos A. Tangent we simply write tan A. Next, cosecant, we simply write cosec A. Secant, we simply write sec A. Cotangent, we simply write cot A. So these are the six, yes or no? One, two, three, four, five, six. These six ratios are we use in the trigonometry, and with this with the six with the help of these six we form three identities. We learn in the upcoming classes. Three identities are there. Those identities play a very key role in solving the equations and problems. Okay, this is the end of the session for this. So thank you for watching. If anything in the content went wrong, so we will correct in the upcoming classes. So thank you for watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube classes. So my name is Anjigaud. Now I am going to explain you exercise 11.1 in trigonometry. Okay, see here. What is the first question given? First question is that in right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, comma 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find sin A, cos A and tan A. So it is very easy to find the trigonometric ratios what he is asking. So just enter into the work note. Yeah, it's here right now. So let us, what is the given data we should write here? So triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is right angled triangle. Right angle, right angled triangle. So triangle ABC is a right angled triangle and the sides are 8 centimeters, comma 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters respective, sorry, 17 centimeters of the lengths of AB, comma BC and CA respectively. Okay, now the what we get here, AB equals to, what is that, AB equals to 8 centimeters and BC equals to 15 centimeters and CA equals to, what is the remaining thing, 17 centimeters. From the given sides, which is the longest one from the given sides? The longest one is CA, yes or no? The longest one is CA. So CA is the hypotenuse. What is CA here? CA is the hypotenuse. So CA is the hypotenuse. Next, we have to write one draw one right angle triangle here. Yes. So now we have to name the sides A, B, and C, right? Uh, Now B is a right angle. B is right angle. Now what is given? AB is 8 centimeters. AB 8 centimeters. So here 8 centimeters. Okay. Next BC is 15 centimeters. BC is 15 centimeters. Next CA is what? CA is nothing but 17 centimeters. Okay, these all are in centimeters. Okay, no need to. I am not writing here, but you have to write. See, centimeters, centimeters. Okay. Now we should find what he's asking us. He's asking us to find sin A, cos A, tan A. Sin A, cos A, tan A, right? So we are going to find that values. So just I move this down. So I move this down. Okay, right. We should find sin A value and cos A and tan A value, right? Right. So first we know the value. First we know the formula, right? What is sine formula? Sine formula is opposite opposite side by opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Am I clear? Right. Now, so what is cos A formula? This is sin A formula, right? What is cos A formula? Cos A formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is cos A formula. Then what is tan A formula? So tan A formula is opposite side by adjacent. Okay, now we got the formulas. Okay, clear? Okay, I am also clear. Right, now sin A is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So in the given triangle, right angle triangle, what is opposite side? Your opposite side is this one. Okay, this one is the opposite side. So with respect to what we are seeing now, with a reference to angle A. See here, with reference to the angle A. Where is the angle A? Here is the angle A. Okay, this is the angle A. Okay, for what is this? This is angle C, right? But he is asking us angle A. So with respect to angle C, what is opposite side? With respect to angle C, opposite side is AB. But with respect to angle A, I will highlight C here. With respect to angle A, what is here opposite side? This BC is the opposite side. BC is the opposite side. Okay. So you remember this point, it is very important. So once again, I'm explaining. See here. So with respect to angle C, the opposite side is AB. With respect to angle C, with respect to angle A, opposite side is BC. Opposite side is BC. Remember or not? So this is very important, right? So if you misunderstood this, then the answer will be wrong. So please be careful here. All right. Now I'm going to write here. Now with respect to angle A, this is opposite. That is nothing but your BC. BC by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. Okay, na? RCA. You can write your wish. ACR. Hypotenuse is ACR CA. CA. Okay, na? Now BC value what? Na? BC value is given 15 centimeters. And what is CA value? That is 17 centimeters. So your sin A value is completed. Okay. Let us move to the cos A value. So sin A is completed. I'm going to Draw one box for the sin A. Okay, sin A value is completed. Next, we are moving to the cos A value. Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Here, adjacent side of angle A, we have to mention it here. Okay, adjacent side of angle A. Adjacent side of angle A. Angle A. If you mention like this, it is very clear. Here also we have to mention opposite side of angle A. Okay. So now what is adjacent side of angle A? Adjacent side is AB. That is equals to AB. Adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse is CA. So now what are gonna values are here? AB equals to 8 centimeter by CA is what? 17 centimeter. 17 centimeter. Okay. Next, this is cos A value is completed. So if you know the formulas, you can write very easily, very much easily. You can write this one. So now see here. Now what we are going to do now? Tan, right? Yeah. Okay. Now for we are going to find the tan. See, tan is what formula for tan? That is opposite side of angle A. Opposite side of angle A, angle A by adjacent side of angle A. Okay, adjacent side of angle A. Now, what is the opposite side of angle A here? Opposite side of angle A is opposite side. This is angle A, right? Opposite side is BC. BC by, now what is adjacent? Here adjacent is AB. Adjacent is AB. So what is your value here? Your value is, so your value is BC is what here? BC is 15 centimeters and AB is, what is AB here? AB is 8 centimeters. Yeah, this is your final answer. Am I clear? So you should write first what is the formula for the given ratio sin A. What is sin A? Opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. So what is opposite here? What is value here? So these are the values for your answer. Okay, this is your answer. You should clearly write everything in neat manner. Next, we are moving to the next problem. What is our next problem is, our next problem, the sides of a right angle triangle PQR, PQ equal to 7 centimeters, PR equal to 25 centimeters, and angle Q is equal to 90 degrees respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. Okay, I will change the page. Give a minute. So right. Now moving to the next question. So our next question is, see here, the sides of a right angle triangle PQR are PQ equal to 7 centimeters and PR equal to 25 centimeters and angle Q is 90 respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. So this is our question. So let us find out the solution for this. Yeah. So now the question is, the sides of right angle triangle PQR are PQ is equal to 7 centimeters, PR equal to 25 and angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So find the tan P minus tan R. Okay, right. So let us start the solution. So now first given that given right angled triangle, that is given triangle PQR is right angled triangle. You should mention it. Right angled triangle. So the sides are Given sides are given sides are PQ equals to 7 centimeters and PR equals to 25 centimeters. So right angle at Q. This is our hint. Okay, what is it? Q. Right angle at Q. So here angle symbol. Okay, it will come. So now I am drawing one diagram. So now right angle at Q is given, right? So now I will take one thing, right? Now, so Q is at right angle. This is our Q. This is at right angle. Next, P is here, and this is our R. PQR, right? So now what are given here? PQ is 7 centimeters. PQ is 7 centimeters. Next, what is next? Then PR. What is PR here? PR is 25 centimeters. Okay, 25 centimeters. Now consider this as X. So the unknown value is X. We need to find this one. Okay, right. Enter into a solution. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, what we have, PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. So we already know, right? What is Pythagoras theorem? The sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to hypotenuse square. So this is a Pythagoras theorem. We know everything clearly, right? So nothing but adjacent side square plus opposite side square equals to hypotenuse square. Okay. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. So now I written as per the Pythagoras theorem. What is hypotenuse square? Hypotenuse square is PR. Okay, this is hypotenuse PR. Next, what is opposite? What is adjacent square? Adjacent is PQ. So sorry, QR adjacent and opposite is PQ. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, I written this. Next, PR square is called. What is PR value here? PR is 25. So 25 square is equals to PQ. What is PQ here? 7. So 7 square plus what is QR here? QR square. QR is X, unknown value, that is X square. Am I clear? So right now I need to find the value of this. So just solve it, simplification. Yeah, now it is very simple. 25 square is 625, right? Now 7 square is 49 plus X square. So now the next step is, what is our next step? Our next step is that X square equals to 625 minus 49. Now I do here 625 minus 49. So don't mistake this silly things. So 625 minus 49. So now this is 15, right? 15 minus 9, that is 6. And this is 1 here. If it is 11, 11 minus 4 is nothing but here 11 there. 11 minus 4, you should remove 4 from there. Then what will be there? 7, right? So next here 5 there. We have tried 5. Though our value is x square is equals to 576. Okay, no? Right. Now what should we do here? X equals to under root 576. So do you have an idea about what is the square root of 24? The square root of 24 is here. See here. Square root of 24 we get, right? Square root of 24, x equals to 24. We remove the square root. How means, see here. here 24 square is 576. So for the 2, this root 2 is cancelling. So we get the value that is 24. So by this we got the value, this is 24, x equals to 24. We got the value. Now what is asking in the question? Is asking us to find tan p minus tan r, right? First we find the tan p. Okay. So one more time I want to draw the diagram, otherwise I will use the values there. Okay. First I will write down tan p equals to what? And tan p minus tan r, right? Tan r equals to what? Right. What is the formula for tan? Tan is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side of what? This is p and p, right? Adjacent side of p. Here tan r means opposite side of what? Opposite side of r by adjacent side of r. It is very important here. Okay, right? Now opposite tan p, opposite side of p. So see here, this is p. What is opposite to the p? Opposite to the p is qr. Are you clear? Opposite to the p is qr. Opposite to the p is qr. So I am writing here, opposite to the p is qr. Next, what is adjacent here? QR is opposite. What is adjacent to the P? That is PQ. That is PQ. Okay, right. Next, so we should write the values here. So what is the PQ value and what is the QR value? So let us write down. So now see here. So we got the values, right? So what are the values we got there? So just I am writing. QR value is what now? Here QR is 24. QR is 24. What is PQ? PQ is 7 centimeter. So 24 by 7. This is your tan P value. Tan P value. Next, tan R we need to find, right? Tan R. Sorry. Tan R, right? We need to find tan R. So now tan R equals to what is opposite side here? Opposite to the R. See now, just I will scroll down. So right, it is clear. Right. Now, what is tan R here? Tan R is opposite side. What is opposite to tan R? So this is opposite, right? For this is tan R. So what is opposite PQ? PQ by what is adjacent QR? So now what is the PQ value here? PQ value is given as 7. And what is QR value we got? That is 24. So we got the two values tan P and tan R. So let us do the simplification here. We have to do tan P minus tan R, right? Yeah, we will do it. So now tan P minus tan R we need to find, right? Yeah, we will find it. Now tan P minus tan R. Yeah. Now what is the tan P value? Tan P value is 24 by 7. Now what is tan R value? Tan R value is 7 by 24. So now we should do subtraction here, not the equal to symbol here minus. So 7 by 24, right? We got whatever the values we got here, tan p, tan or tan r. Now do the subtraction. It is very simple. What is this fraction subtraction? That is 24 into 24. We get cross multiply this one. 24 into 24 minus 7 into 7, cross multiplication. On doing cross multiplication, we get 7 into 24, right? Now we do the 24 into 7. What is the value here? 24 into 7, that is 7 4 is 28, 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 2, that is 16. Now 24 square we can write like this, right? 24 square minus 7 square by 24 square minus 7 square by 168. Okay, now what is 24 square? We already discussed it, right? 24 square is 576. 576 minus 49, that is 7 square, by 168. Since 24 square is 576, 7 square is 49. Am I clear? Right. Now do the subtraction. So it is very easy subtraction, right? If you do the subtraction, then you get the answer. That is 576 minus 49. Now it is 7 and here it is 6. That is 2 5. Your answer is 527 by 168. This is your tan p minus tan r. This is your final solution. Okay, your tan p minus tan r value is this one. Am I clear? So once we go to the entire problem, so see here what we did here. First, here given PQR is a right angle triangle and given sides are PQ equal to 7 centimeters, PR is equal to 25 centimeters. According to Pythagoras theorem, we find the x value. Then what is the tan P formula? Opposite by adjacent. Then we have written the values for what are the values for adjacent and opposite. Then after, now tan P minus tan R we are doing. We got tan P one value and tan R one value, then we are doing the subtraction, then finally we got the answer. So this is the answer for this question. Shall we move to the next question, right? Okay, why we are wait, we are moving to the next question. Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube classes. My name is Anjay Gaur. Now I am going to explain you the exercise 11.1, a third problem. Okay, so now what is the third problem? Given in a right angle triangle ABC with a right angle at B, so right angle at B, in which A is equals to 4 units and B equals to 25 units, and angle BAC, this is angle, so this is angle BAC. Okay, angle BAC equals to theta. Then find cos theta and tan theta. So here theta, instead of theta we are getting here Q, so please consider it as a theta. Okay, right, let us move to the uh, solution. Here I am starting the solution here. So first, given that, given triangle ABC is right angled triangle, right angled, right angled triangle, right? Now what should we do here? Given right angle at B, that is nothing but angle B equals to 90 degrees. Okay, clear? Right. Again, given A equals to 24 units and B equals to 25 units. So angle BAC, given that angle BAC equals to theta. Okay. With the given information, we will draw one rough diagram. So it is very clear for us to know the all things. So this is our diagram. Now, what is given angle B is a 90 degrees. That is right angle, right? So this is right angle. So here A and here C. ABC. Okay, completed. Triangle is completed. So right angle triangle is completed. Now we should do here. So values. What are the values given here? Value A equals 24 units, B is equal to 25. So we are finding the which is the lengthiest one. This is 25 is the lengthiest one. So we are writing it as a hypotenuse 25 units and A equals to 24 units. Right. So it is okay, fine. Now we need to find the unknown value, this AB. So let us consider this as X. Okay. Now if you find this one, then we will get into, we get the values of that one. So now see here. So we should write what we write here. First, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. So what is according to Pythagoras theorem? We know that AC square is equals to, what is AC square equals to? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Now we should find it out. Yeah, what is AC given here? AC is 25. 25 square. What is AB here? AB is x square plus BC is what? BC is 24 square. So just I am writing the values. I am keeping the square as it is. Okay, right. 24 square. Now 25 square is 625. We already know this value. And next one, x square as it is. And what we are doing, 24 square is 576. 24 square is 576. Now x square equals to 625 minus 576. So what I am doing here, so I am moving the constants one side and variables one side. So I got here 625 minus 576. So now here, then 15 minus 6. What is the answer? 15 minus 6 is nothing but, so here it is 9. Okay, next here 1. If you are take the borrow here, 11. 11 minus 7, that is 4. And this is 5 minus 5, that is 0. So x square equals to 49. I can write like this. Then after, next what I should do here, x equals to, I am removing the square root and I am sending that side, that becomes square root of 49. So we can write as like this, 7 square is equal to 49, right? So now 7 square is 49, so I am writing like this. Then after we get x equals to 7. How I am getting the x equal to 7 here? Why? Because I am cancelling the square roots. Okay, square and root, then we will get x equal to 7. Right. Now what we have to do now, then we got the value, right? So if we got the value, we should do one thing here. So here I am writing the value of x equal to 7. X equal to 7. Okay, this is x value, which is 7. Now What is asking? Find the cos theta and tan theta. Okay, now I am writing cos theta first. What is the cos theta formula? Cos theta formula is adjacent by. Now one more thing I want to remember you here. So what is the thing is, so cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, but what is here? Theta is important here. So here this is theta. Okay. So with respect to this, we should write the adjacent angle of theta. Adjacent angle of theta by hypotenuse. Next, what is adjacent to the theta? Adjacent is AB. AB adjacent. Hypotenuse, that is AC. So now AB is equal to what? 7, and AC is what? 25. So this is your value, 25 by 7. Next, cos theta equals to, we should write like this, okay? 7 by 25. After completion of the answer, we should mention the answer very clearly. Yes or no? Yes, that is our duty to mention the answer it very clearly. So right now, next moving to the next, what is that? Tan theta. Moving to the tan theta. Now, what is the formula for tan theta? Tan theta equals to opposite by opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Now, what is opposite here? Opposite to the theta is BC. What is adjacent here? Adjacent is AB. Now, what is BC value? BC value is the 24. And what is AB value? AB value is 7. Am I clear? So this is what tan theta. Tan, sorry, this is what tan theta. Tan theta. This is tan theta. So we should arrange it in box. Tan theta value. So we got the both values. So what we did, once I explain, see here. See, first given data we return and find the unknown side by using the Pythagoras theorem. Then after, what we did, so what is asking us to? Asking us to find cos theta and tan theta. So as I wrote here, cos theta, what is the formula for cos theta? And I substitute the values. Then I get the answer. Here tan theta formula opposite by adjacent. Then what is the value we got? So I substituted the values here. Then this is your final solution for the answer. Am I clear? So next, moving to the next problem. See the next problem here. What is the next problem given here? The next problem is that is fourth problem. If cos A is equals to 12 by 13, then find the sin A and tan A, where A is less than 90 degrees. Okay, it is very clear. We should do this problem in easy manner. See now, solution. So first, what is given here? So cos A is given cos A is 12 by 13. Okay, so here this is the only thing we given to us, he given to us, right? Now we know the cos formula, right? Cos A formula is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Yes. So adjacent is what here? 12 centimeters. Hypotenuse is what here? 13 centimeters. Okay, clear? Now I'm going to draw one right angle triangle. Okay, right. Now this is A B C. Okay, A B C. Now what is he given us? He given us adjacent side is to hypotenuse, right? That is 12 is to 13. 12 is to 13 is given. So now I am taking here hypotenuse as 13, right? So I am taking it as 13k. What is k? You are getting doubt. Here k is any positive integer. Okay, any positive integer. That is I am writing here. K is any positive integer. Any positive integer. K is any positive integer. Right. Now this is 13k and what is adjacent here? Sorry, what is adjacent here? 12k, right? 12k adjacent. Now using the Pythagoras theorem, we get the other side, unknown side, right? So just to use the Pythagoras theorem, I'm making it a little smaller. So using the Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. So what we will get Pythagoras theorem? As per the Pythagoras theorem, we get AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, right? AB square plus BC square. Now what is AC square is given here? AC is 13 square. 13k square equals to AB square is what? 12k square. 12k square plus BC is what here? BC is unknown value x square. Okay, right. Now x k, okay, x square is enough. Right, now see here. So now we are going to solve this. 13 square is nothing but 169. 169k square. That is equal to, you can keep your k also. Okay. So k is a any positive integer. 12 square is 144. 144k square plus x square k square. Yes, it is right. And now that is 6 169. I need x square, right? X square k square equals to 169 k square minus 144 k square. So 169 minus 144 we can do here. 169 minus 144. 9 minus 4 5. Is it right? Okay. 9 minus 4 5, right? 6 minus 4 2. 1 minus 1 0. So I am x square k square equals to, so what is that? 25. So I am removing the case two sides, case there, right? K square k square. So it is not required to me. X equals to root 25. So we get here x equals to root 5 square. Then x equals to, here square and root is cancelled, then x equal to 5. So the unknown value is what? The unknown side is this. BC is what here? BC equals to 5. So BC equals to 5. So 5k, 5 as our wish. Okay, no. So now, so You can write as BC here. You might confuse here, but don't confuse. You can write is BC, or you can write something variable, unknown variable as X. Okay. You don't confuse. And finally, we solve the answer with the correct answer or not. That is important. So you can continue with BC here also. No issue with this. BC square, BC square, BC square. Instead of X square, Q square, you can write here BC square also. No issue with that. So whether we get the correct answer or not, that is most important here. So whatever the you are using the variables, it's not doesn't matter anything. So now what is, we got all the values right, and then we are going to find the what is asking us to find, then we are going to find that one, right? So now I should move like this, right? Okay, what is asking us? Sin a equals to now what is the formula for sin a? Sin a is nothing but opposite side by opposite side by adjacent side, sorry, opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side by hypotenuse. Now what is opposite here? So for the sin a, opposite, that is BC. And what is hypotenuse here? 13. So sorry, what is hypotenuse here? AC or CA. Okay, CA. Now so here we got CA, right? Now what is the value of BC? BC value is 5k. And what is the value of CA? CA value is CA value is 13k. So if I remove the that case, then I will get 5 by 13. This is sin A value. So we got the sin A value as 5 by 13. We got this answer, right? 5 by 13. Next, our duty is to find the next one, that is tan A value. Tan A value. Okay, we should find tan A value also. So now see here, we are going to find tan A value. So tan A equals to, so what is the tan A formula? Tan A formula is tan A equals to opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side. Now what is our opposite side here? Opposite side is BC. Yes or no? Yes. Then what is our adjacent side here? Adjacent side, see now what is the adjacent side here? This is AB. Now opposite side is what? So I am writing here, opposite side is BC, right? That is 5k. Adjacent side is 12k. So if I remove this case, then I will get tan A equals to 5 by 12, right? So this is our final answer, tan A value. Yes. So this is our sin A value. So in this way you should do the answers. Check it, tan opposite by adjacent. Here this is angle A, right? Then opposite is what? This one is opposite. What is this? Adjacent. Okay, opposite by adjacent. Next, sine opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is what? This. Hypotenuse is this. So opposite by hypotenuse. So clear. What we are doing, once I will explain overall. So first, he given cos A equal to 12 by 13. So I, as it is written, cos A. We have the formula cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So I take one triangle and I given the adjacent and hypotenuse values, and I find the unknown other value by using Pythagoras theorem. Then I am going to find the values of sin A and cos A. This is your problem. We are moving to stepping to the next problem. So our next problem is what? If 3 tan A equals to 4, then find the sin A and cos A. So given 3 tan A equal to 4, tan A equals to 4 by 3. Okay, this is important. Tan A equal to 4 by 3. We have the tan A formula also. Tan A equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent adjacent side of angle A. Here also adjacent side of angle. Don't forget this angle A. Okay. So now we have to draw one triangle here. So we, with the help of the diagram, we should do everything very clearly, right? Yes or no? Yes, we should do the everything very clearly. So this is the fifth problem, right? So we should draw one triangle here. So BCA, okay, right? So ABC we can write from. Sorry, this is line is not getting perfect. So see now, right? Now ABC, okay, as same like what we are doing in the previous class. AB Okay. Now what is given? Opposite side by adjacent. So tan is given. 4 by 3 is given. That is indirectly given. Okay. We should transfer it and we should send this left hand side 3 to the RHS side. Then we get the 4 by 3. Then here opposite value is 4 and 4 centimeters and adjacent value is 3. So opposite is 4, adjacent is 3. So in this triangle, what is opposite? This is opposite. So opposite is 4. So what is adjacent here? Adjacent is 3. This is 3. So we should find the hypotenuse. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, as per the Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is AC here? AC value is AC, unknown value, that is keep it as it is. BC is AB square is AB, that is 3 square plus BC square is 4 square, right? Sorry, 4 square, right? It is not K, 4 square, 4 square, right? Now we should find out this. All right. That is AC, we don't know, we are writing as it is. 3 square is equals to 9 plus 4 square is equal to 16. That is AC square equals to 16 plus 9, that is 25. Then AC equals to root 25. Then it will come after the 20, root under the root, it will become AC becomes 5. We find the once another side, unknown side is finded. Okay. Then we found the unknown side, then we are moving to the this one problem. So that is here our answer is 5. Okay, it is clear, right? Done. So next, what is asking us, that is a question here. So what is asking us, we should target that one, right? Sorry. Now what he is asking us, so we should do this one, right? Okay. So what is asking us? Find the sin A and cos A. So now first we are moving to sin A. So sin A is what formula? Sin A formula is opposite by opposite side. Okay. So I am writing clearly. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Now sin A, this is the angle A, right? So sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite here? Opposite is BC. What is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is CA. Now, so what is the BC value? BC value is 4 centimeters and CA value is 5 centimeters. So your sin A value is completed. So opposite, this is the opposite, this is the adjacent. Clear? So opposite is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So your sin A value completed. Next, moving to the next one. What is the next one asking us as cos A, right? You should find cos A also here. Right, cos A. Cos A equals to, what is the formula for cos A? Cos A is adjacent by adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now, what is adjacent here? That is AB. What is hypotenuse there? That is CA. That is nothing but AB is what here? AB value is what? AB value is 3. Then the CA or AC, no issue with this. Okay, we can take anything. We can take anything, no issue with this. So AC equals to what? 5. So this is your cos A. Cos A equal to 3 by 5. Are you clear? So what we did in this, once we go with this one. So first he given 3 tan A equal to 4, right? So he given 3 tan A is equal to 4. So I find tan A equal to 4 by 3. Then after tan A equals to, what is the formula for tan A? Opposite by adjacent. So I kept the values in the triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Then using the Pythagoras theorem, I find the unknown side. Then after I find the sin A and cos A. So once we got the triangle all values, then we will easily find the sin A and cos A ratios, right? So in this way we completed this problem, and we are moving to the next problem now. So the next problem is here. What is the sixth problem? That is, the sixth problem is in triangle. This is triangle, okay? In triangle ABC and in triangle XYZ. This is triangle, okay? Triangle XYZ. If angle A, this one is angle, okay? Angle A equals to angle X are acute angles. Angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos X. Then show that angle A equal to angle X. So you don't confuse. Question is very clear. So but here symbols are different. That's it. So I am writing the question also. See here. Question I am writing. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A equals to, sorry, angle A and angle X are acute angles, then cos A equal to cos X, then show that angle A equal to angle X. So now first we draw one triangle. So this is right angle triangle. So now what is saying, angle A equal to angle X. So this is one angle and this is one more angle. First suppose this is A, this is X. He already given angle A equal to angle X. So now for suppose this is C. So these both are equal. So this is both are equal. Why? Because he given that solution. Given a triangle ABC equals to triangle XYZ. Triangle ABC equals to triangle XYZ is given. In triangle A, ABC and XYZ, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos X. So he not given, we given two triangles, right? So he given two triangles. Those are triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. Now what he is saying that cos A is equal to cos X. Cos A equals to cos X. Okay. So now cos A is equal to cos X in the sense. So now first find the cos A value. So what is the cos A value here? This is right angle triangle. Okay. Cos A value is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent here? Cos A. Adjacent is here AC. Adjacent. What is hypotenuse here? AX. Next, cos A is completed. Cos X. Cos X is, what is cos X here? Cos X. Same. Cos X formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. So now what is adjacent here? Adjacent is X, CR, CX. Next, what is hypotenuse here? AX. He given that, what is he given? He given that angle cos A equal to cos X, right? So I am writing cos A equal to cos X. AC by AX equals to CX by AX. Then if I gonna cancel here, so this AX will remove, and this CC also remove. Then what can I say? What are the left things here? Angle A equals to angle X. So he asked me to prove this, right? So he asked me to prove, right? So I clearly proven here. Yes or no? It is proved, right? See now, angle A equal to angle X. So angle A equal to angle X. It is very simple problem. There is not at all any complexity is there in this problem. Just see one more time I will explain. So here, see here. So now, given that two triangles, what are they? They are triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. Then he is saying that cos A equal to cos X. Cos A equal to cos X. Then cos A I written. So cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. So I bring the here sides. What is adjacent here? Cos A. Adjacent is AC by hypotenuse. AX. AX. Okay. Next, cos X. Cos X is equals to, what is adjacent here? Adjacent is CX by hypotenuse is CA or AC. Okay. So hypotenuse is, sorry, hypotenuse is AX. So when we are asking cos X, we should we should refer the X. Okay. When he asking cos A, with a reference to the only cos A should refer. This is the final answer for this question. Okay, it is very clear, right? Nothing is in this problem, nothing is there. So this is your sixth problem. Okay, right. Moving to the next problem. So what is the next problem is given? It is very simple here. What is the next problem? That is given cot theta. This is theta. Okay. This is theta. Cot theta equals to 7 by 8. Cot theta equal to 7 by 8. So now I am drawing one right angle triangle. What is the cot formula? Cot is adjacent. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent here? Adjacent is for suppose this is one a triangle A B C. Now what is adjacent and what is hypotenuse here? Adjacent is 7, hypotenuse is 8. So this is BC value is unknown, we should find it. Using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now what is AB square is given here? A sorry, AC square is given here. So AC given as AC is given as 8 square. AB is 7 square. BC is unknown value, right? Unknown side, right? Next. Now 8 square is nothing but 64 equals to 49 plus BC square. That is equals to BC square is equals to 64 minus 49. 64 minus 49 we have to do here. So here 64 minus 49 you can take like this, then it is becomes 5, and here it becomes 5. 5 minus 4 1. Yes or no? Yes. So am I clear? Is it audible? Yes, it is right. So now we get the value. So here so we got the value, that is what is the value of